Hello everyone and welcome back to Let's Face It. This is a podcast all about the PPE industry. I'm Sean SPM, your host. We are happy to be here today broadcasting from the facility of Crown Mutual Group out here in Delta, BC. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of state-of-the-art equipment hanging out here. We're going to meet Alex Liu, the owner-operator. He's going to take us through some of these machines, tell us how it's all done. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get into it. Let's face it. Guess I better wear a mask. Let's go. Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Face It. I'm Sean SPM, your host, and like I promised, I'm here with owner-operator Alex Liu of Crown Mutual Group, and we're going to talk to him a little bit about what's happening with Crown Mutual Group. Alex, thanks so much for coming on the show.
Thank you.
I wonder if you might be able to tell us a little bit about how Crown Mutual Group got its start.
Well, we started because of the pandemic. When it hits Canadian, everybody's so sad. Nobody can go out. Everybody stay at home. People losing jobs. That's the worst thing we've ever seen. It hit the economy, it hurts everyone. So that's why we started. We want a pandemic to pass as soon as possible.
And what do you think is going to happen moving forward with it?
Well, I think the government right now is doing the right thing, which is start locking down. Like people do not go outside, not doing any socializing. That's actually a good thing. Actually, that slowed down the spread of the COVID-19. But same time, if you decide to, you gotta see some family member or you gotta see someone essential workers, you gotta wear a mask. You gotta protect yourself. Like you gotta protect yourself and protect somebody else, right?
So Crown Mutual Group now, they're a multifaceted company. You guys don't only make masks, you bring these machines into the country.
We do bring the machines because as a Canadian, yes, we do have only about 38 million population in Canada, but we need better machines to protect us. So that's why we want to bring the best machine into Canada so we can make the best masks for Canadians.
Would you mind taking us through a few of the components of the machine and just to show us how it works?
Most of the machine, their problem is the material feeding station. So the material length is different, the width is different. When it goes through the machine, they don't stay as aligned together as possible. So what we do is we have these three, because we're making a 3-ply mask, right? So we got 3 web trackers that actually will track the material when it feeds into your machine. So each machine, each layer of the material, actually they will line up perfectly. So this way you don't need to worry about this part. That's the feeding station. And the pleating station part, which is a little bit more complicated, but you got sensors for nose bridge, because if you're missing one material, then you know, because the mask doesn't look the same. But for a nose bridge right now, let's say if there's no nose bridge in the mask, you don't know. But then there's a magnetic sensor will tell you actually the mask has nose bridge, because nose bridge is in the mask. So that's another thing you need to look for. And the other thing is when the machine are coming into Canada, I see a lot of machine before. Actually, the machine is separate, it's semi-auto. The machine we bring in is full auto, which is pleating station to year loop welding station to fold and press stamp with 150 degrees Celsius stamping. That will make the mask a lot stronger and nicer. And also another thing, when we're doing packing, what we can do is we can set up the machine that we can stack 10 per pack, 20 per pack, 30, 40, 50, whatever. You just set a number, then it's done. Everything is fully automatic.
So how many people does it take to run this equipment?
Well, this machine I can run by myself. Wow. Most of the time I'm just standing here, doing nothing, just waiting.
What is the capacity of this machine at its peak?
Well, this machine right now we can do 120 pieces per minute.
Say that again?
120 pieces per minute.
120 pieces.
About this machine right now. This is called pleating station. So right now, easy. How do you know it's 4-ply, 5-ply? Easy, count the rows. So we got 5 rows, that's 5-ply, right? And then we got 5 web tracker that align all the material at the same time. And then we have the nose bridge, double wire nose bridge, pushing by this rod, push it in to center the nose wire. And then this ultrasonic roller will roll that nose wire into the mask pleating station on the first phase. And now after the roller, you can see that mask is actually, you already know how it looks. And then here's the magnetic sensor. This sensor senses the nose bridge. If it senses the nose bridge, then the printer will print our company logo on it. If it doesn't sense the nose bridge, it won't print. Then we know which mask is good, which mask is not up to the standard, right? Or is missing nose bridge. That's pretty easy. As you see, right now, every single one of them has it. From here, it starts folding. It folds the nose bridge. This is called puller. So this one pulls the whole roll of material with tension. This one actually adjusts where you want to cut the mask. This one is another ultrasonic that will seal on the edge of the mask. From here, that's another puller. So to center, 2 puller will center it more straight. And then from here, that's the cutter. This cutter will cut the mask to the edge of the mask, which is you need it. And when the mask come out, I can just pull one, show you. Then when the mask come out, it look like this. The other side, CMG, Crown Mutual Group. So please, everyone, wear the proper mask, and let's go through this pandemic as soon as possible. Thank you.
Thanks so much, Alex. Thanks for joining us today.
Yeah.